Hi there, I'm Fox 6 Chief Meteorologist JP Dice. Here's your weather update right here on myfoxtracker.com on our mobile devices. Want to show you what's going on out there. We had some heavy rain push through the area earlier this afternoon. Even some reports of small hail around the Inverness area. Current temperature is 70 degrees. We're picking up a southeast wind at about 6 miles per hour. You can see those showers and thunderstorms. The heaviest rain now moving into Georgia. That's going to be impacting the Atlanta area. Could see a few more storms roll in out of Mississippi as we get into the early evening hours, but really after 7 p.m., most of that rain is going to be over and done with. Early tomorrow morning, 61 degrees on the drive into work or school, 79 and breezy noontime tomorrow. We'll have some winds up to 20 miles per hour. Thunderstorms beginning to show up mainly in our western counties by as early as 4 p.m. Temperature warming up to about 79 degrees. Most of that rain coming in after 7 p.m. for Marion County, and you can see what our computer forecast model is showing there. By 9 o'clock, heavy rain, thunderstorms, perhaps damaging winds across Cullman County through Winston and Walker, back through Fayette, northern Pickens County. This line of storms shifts down to the south during the overnight hours, and it should weaken somewhat. We'll be waking up to cloudy skies and some cooler temperatures for early Saturday morning. So big changes coming up in our forecast we'll have to get through tomorrow because of that significant weather across the area. In fact, today we're looking at our highest risk for any significant weather off to our northwest. So we're in good shape today, but for tomorrow, the greatest risk for some storms coming up for Friday evening and night will be in our northwestern counties. This is the area that we're going to focus on the most. Winston County and Marion County, Walker, maybe around Lynn and Nauvoo, back through Fayette, Lamar, and northern Pickens and northern Tuscaloosa County. The main threats will be lightning, wind, and hail. A minimal tornado risk. It's not completely out of the question, but right now I do not see a significant tornado risk with this particular system. A couple of things we're keeping a watch on here. The severe storms coming up for Friday evening, cooler and drier for Easter weekend, and an unsettled weather pattern as we head into next week. Just about every day next week, we have a chance of thunderstorms, and we may be looking at some stormy weather next weekend. One of the forecast models indicating an area of low pressure moving across the southeast for Saturday and Sunday. Got some allergy issues. Trees may be your issue. Hackberry, oak, and pine, the predominant pollens right now, especially hackberry and oak. Weeds and grass in the medium category. Here's our forecast tonight. Rain comes to an end, 61 degrees, the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, some afternoon storms. Most of that rain during the nighttime, a high of 79. Hope you can check us out on Fox 6 News for the latest on your forecast. We'll talk about your weekend weather too. We'll see you then on Fox 6 News beginning as early as 5 o'clock.